the steering freed up. At least enough. Alright boys, we're going to... Okay, I think I got the TV muted now. So let's change the oil freeze in this. Alex is going to come up with his bore scope later and we're going to inspect some things. Let's just say... Looks like this is going to be almost pure antifreeze, so... Are we ready? I'm not. That's nice. How much is in it? That is pretty much straight antifreeze, guys. I bet you there should be 2 or 4 gallons in there. Seems like it's slowing down. Oh, there's some oil. I'm just going to drain it all. Yeah, that's oil. What do you guys think? Can I put the plug back in? Ooh, I'm going to have to prop that pan up. I think we're good. That was a lot of antifreeze, guys. This is when we go action. Take 1 on cylinder head removal.
You already missed all the bloopers.
Yeah. Nobody got hurt, so no money in it. Well, I was going to get another screwdriver, wasn't I?
Thomas was here.
Okay, also I'm on the bottom of the head gasket, and the head gasket is going up the head. Let me get another screwdriver. 1 moment, please, while your party is reached.
I was going to say, because I got a big gap over here.
Oh, I got a decent gap too.
I was going to say, if I can get one worked in up closer to the top.
Oh, I need to go like this, and like this. Because the front's where it's not new.
Right.
There we go. If we get it up on these little studs here.
That's the thing, you have to pick straight up, otherwise it's going to...
Oh no, it does look pretty scary. Never mind. Looking at the wrong thing. Okay. Oh, why does this seem a lot heavier than an inch? We might have to get the back door.
Oh my god!
Yeah, okay, hold.
And then bring the spinach.
That fucker is just heavy, and it's in a really awkward height.
Should I take the ends off and pull off?
Well, I mean, it's normally an awkward place to hold on to.
I know.
That's just a really awkward height. I don't know, let's try and... A little pry bar. Over here.
Switch.
Yeah, let's try it, but same but different. Okay. Well, that one's still holding fluid yet. Now what do we do?
We didn't think that far.
Do we put a chunk of 4x4 under it to hold it or something?
Yeah.
There's one under the shop press there. Brick. I was gonna say one of you guys needs a little more. Alright, now we can take a break and think about this. I didn't think we were gonna need 4 people to pull the cylinder head. Get a Massey, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Huh. No, that's not what I had in mind. Now that it's up this high, it should be freer. I want to try it again, but my shoulder's telling me
that's just it. It's the fact that it's taller. It's at an awkward
right here.
height.
Yeah, right.
With the front air, front tires. Then we have the rear air.
Yeah.
Do you have something we could stand on? I mean, you have that 4x4. I can stand on this one.
Oh, good. Yeah, the oil soak one. Yeah, that's good. Alex is always the klutz to the bunch. So.
Only if Thomas is around.
Yeah.
That gives me a whole lot of nothing.
We gotta use his alias on the internet. He's Top Notch Trackers.
Ah.
Bottom Notch Trackers, sorry. I was like, uh-oh. I just heard something go. The more I look at this, the less it seems like a good idea. Sigh. Oh, here we go. There's how you get it. We just get it up and sit on top of the stud, Alex. Oh, shit.
Let me see.
Okay. Okay. Just sit there for a second.
Now I can get down.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow, I don't know.
Take it off my side.
And careful. You take the back, I'll take the front. Holy fuck. Oh, I'll edit that out. Damn. Sure dang it.
Why'd we take it off my side?
Stupid long
Just let it roll.
Feel my foot taking it. Alright, just get straight down. What a heavy pile. Look at that back cylinder. Look at it towards your side.
Oh, that's fine.
No, half of the liner's missing.
You only need that half. You only need the other half.
It froze and pushed the liner in. These two are still good.
This one's still good. Oh, it's a 3-cylinder now. We just disconnect the rear piston.
We'll bring you guys in a minute here. We're looking at this. Wow, that's
I have a funny feeling that's where you're getting your coolant from.
I think so too.
Which might be a good thing. That means the block might stand a chance.
So, okay, up here we're not looking too bad. Here, I mean, you know, it's still holding fluid yet. Solid, but there. Back here. Oh, mama. That's a holy son. I gotta edit that out now too. Damn it! Instead of taking an hour to edit the video. And that, my friends, would be what you call catastrophic freeze failure. I believe.
Oh, yeah. I can see the hole.
You see it now?
I see the hole from
right
the,
into the water jacket.
Coolant passage side. Yeah.
That is. There's your problem.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Yeah. As Watch West Work would say, there's your problem, lady. Yeah. So,
Now what's the solution?
Well, the solution is the internet. Maybe 17 phone calls.
Well, first let's drop the oil pan and see what the bearings look like.
This is true. Well, but I'm going to wager that happened while sitting.
Yeah.
I'll have to get a light and show you guys better, but I can see it pretty good. Kind of right, I never planned to work the whole way at the end of the shop. So, alright, so I guess we're going to do a little more exploring before Steve scours the internet and maxes out his credit cards. And we'll be back with you guys. What's the bottom of that cylinder head look like? After we wrestled it off. Here.
Take it to the light.
Oh man, we screwed up the head gasket. That was still good yet. Oh no. Well, guess we're gonna need a new one of those.
I don't think it's running tonight.
Dang. We ain't got the right kind of gas. Okay, well, I'm going to pause and take some dramatic photos for other platforms, and we'll be back. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Cut.
Naturally, like Thomas says, well, we can actually get to those bolts pretty good.
Well, the caps aren't bad. That was easy to get to. There's a fair bit of stuff on the screen.
Sure run.
This is not the first time me and you have made a oil pan removal video without removing the oil pan. Nothing looks broke. So far we found one bent push rod, one sleeve. I think there's a chunk out of that sleeve on the bottom there too.
I'd say so. Nah, they're all...
They all got a notch in there for the rod?
Yep.
Alright, that's the only one I could see. The nice thing is the motor's stuck like halfway up too.
Yeah, they got a notch on both sides.
Okay. So that's not... Let me see that one. So that's not the problem. Okay. That's not a big problem. Alright, well. Do we want to pull a rod cap off and look?
That's kind of what I was thinking.
Look like 3/4?
I was going to say, what happens if we knock the back one off and then try to roll it backwards?
Well, probably the middle two are stuck.
You think?
I think so.
Why can't you just be optimistic, man?
Well, I am, but I'm telling you, when the fluid's in it, it's still stuck. I've seen this before. Actually, this is exactly the same as Thomas's H. Same cylinder and everything.
Yeah, except for we can actually get to
Yeah.
these bolts. His was frozen right in the exact right position.
Yeah, his was the whole way down, yeah. Yeah, pull that rod cap off. And
Yeah.
that's an easy one to get to, anyhow.
Yeah.
So.
We need every size wrench that we haven't gotten so far.
No, it's on the deck plate. Should be a 3/4 socket. Actually, it's 19 mil. My apologies.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Where is it? Oh.
Metric meter, deck plate, top of trans. I guess I should stop recording, huh?
I got the 19.
Okay. You had the ratchet somewhere.
I think it's on your side.
Probably up top, huh?
Yep.
Oh, I see it. I see it. If only my toes were thumbs. Alright, bring you guys back when we get a rod cap off here. I just saw my light flash before my eyes! Alright. Oh, let's see. Okay. So,
I guess it's the lighting crew.
yeah. So the crank's not scored or anything. Neither is the rod cap. It almost looks like it was never ran, honestly.
Put it back together and said,
Yeah. We'll leave it sit outside for 20 years.
We'll let a barn fall on it.
Yeah. I mean, I guess we could try and get it to move once, but it's probably going to push them 2 liners out in the center.
Is that a bad thing?
Well, I don't know yet. Because if they're wet sleeves, we should probably change the O-rings anyhow.
Right.
So, the trick is, I have no idea if we can get sleeves for this yet or not. Because this is even more rare than a regular 44 because it's a special. I don't know how special a special is. And just watch the pipe wrench does not like to stay on the crank. Yeah, I don't think so. Just watch. I almost went for a ride and I did that once.
I have something turning.
That's the clutch slipping.
Is it?
Yeah, I've been down that road. Yeah, it feels like it's turning, but it's a clutch slip. That's a negative, Ghost Rider.
Nope.
That is wishful thinking, folks. So,
Do you remember our plan with Thomas's H?
fire?
Suspend it from the roof.
Oh, I just built the roof. Let's not do that. I know the guy that built it.
His roof.
Correct. We'll switch his tractor for my tractor.
He'll not even know. They're still red.
Yeah, they're red.
We just have to, whenever we pull it in, we have to pull the front end off.
Yeah, that's the way his is. Yeah.
Exactly.
Switch the tires on. He'll notice those. Because they're different. They're yellow rims, you know. Hand clutch.
Theoretically, his hub should bolt on.
Yeah, it should be the same.
Theoretically.
So, boys, I believe we have reached our impasse for the night. We have found all the, some would say, the sadness.
The discovery of the night is there's a hole.
Dun 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 dun. Liner number 4 is not really home.
Not so liner.
Yeah, she got holes in it. There's a hole in the battleship in number 4. I'm going to say 3 and 2 are probably foobar, and number 1's probably okay.
1 cylinder.
Yeah.
All right.
1 out of 4. I think we can do it. This will be a low power 44.
Special force.
I gotta cut that out too now. You can't use names on YouTube. Alright. There's gonna be a lot of editing here. Facebook or TikTok? Fine. But yeah. Yeah, we've successfully torn apart and knew it was broke before, and now it's really broke. Now we know it's broke, so.
That liner almost looks like it's coming up a little bit.
It could be. Let's see what's gonna fight you. One's gonna be going up, one's gonna be going down.
Mm-hmm.
If they are both going up. This one doesn't look like it was sealing the whole way
both
around.
of these should be going up.
Maybe. You may be correct.
That one and
well, you're probably, but you're
going down.
Yeah, you're probably still going to be against this though, because that connecting rod's going to be trying to push that up.
Well, if we can get the front one disconnected,
and that sleeve probably won't come up out because it's heaved up in the water jacket.
mm-hmm.
So, like I said, I don't know, boys. It's getting to be late. We've had our fun. One of the two of us has to go to work in the morning. It's not me. So, bring you guys back if we do something awesome, or if we somehow catch it on fire, and I don't know how.
Oh, we'll catch it on fire.
We called Billy in the middle of this, so I'm surprised it didn't spontaneously combust. Meh, possible yet. We still have a torch, not a big torch. So, yeah, I did get the water pump freed up.
Oh, we're good. He'll flow the water right there.
Yeah,
Cylinder
yeah,
4.
right to cylinder 4, down to the crankcase. Hear me out. If we put oil in the cooling system,
I like it. I like it.
because then we don't have to worry about
And
the
we have a big
antifreeze.
oil reservoir.
I'm never going to see that nut again.
I
watched- I didn't put back on. See, I did this side because I saw it. I saw that laying over there in the cylinder head. But, it's back here. So I'm like, oh, I see it. I can't believe it. I'll be dip. I saved it. That's the one thing I was going to put us over budget if we lost that.
We're going to lose the shop.
Well, no, the shop. Well, I did buy the shingles on a credit card, so we'll lose the roof. Shop will have no roof. But yeah.
Yeah, but if we catch the Massey on fire in the shop's mostly wood, so.
Touche. Don't talk about this. We've already had bad experiences today, so. Like I said, that's going to be it for tonight, and we'll catch everybody in the next one when Steve maxes out his credit card bill and we buy new parts. Maybe.
First, we have to get pistons out.
Why are you always so negative? If I can buy new pistons, we can just smash them.
Well,
They looks.
piston.
What's the odds a Gravely piston will fit in there?
I like the way you think.
Oh, I got a whole wall of those. Anyhow, later, guys. Happy Halloween! I think this will turn out pretty good. I got some orange plastic pumpkins in the bucket of the 3910. Be nice to have some hay bales, but you know, balling on a budget, buddies. So let's see if we can get. I thought about making him look like a headless horseman, but he's kind of a tall, slender kind of guy. Yeah. Well, boys, be my Halloween display. Most put together tractor I got. So I know one thing: all I can steal is the pumpkins. There ain't much else. It's worth anything on this. So happy Halloween! You can only imagine what my neighbors think of me.